Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Now, we're starting the numbers series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. Today, we're going to learn the simplest Chinese numbers, 1, 2, 3. In ancient times, people carved symbols on stones. One line meant 1, 2 lines meant 2, and 3 lines meant 3. Later, people carved these 1, 2, and 3 line symbols on turtle shells to record numbers. Over time, these 3 symbols later evolved into the modern character made up of standard strokes. They are pronounced 1, 2, 3. The character 1 represents the number 1. It's one of the simplest and most frequently used Chinese characters, just a single horizontal stroke. But 1 isn't just a number, it also carries deeper meanings. It can symbolize beginnings, unity, and wholeness, and sometimes express abstract ideas like brevity or similarity, depending on how it's used with other characters. For example, 一生 means one's whole life. 一样 means the same. 试一试 means to give it a try. There are many phrases with 一, but for now, just remember, it means 1. The character means the number 2. It's made up of 2 horizontal strokes. When writing, start from the top, draw a short line first, then a longer one below. Make sure the top line isn't longer, and the 2 lines shouldn't be the same length either. R represents the number 2, but it can also suggest the idea of pairs or differences. Sometimes it's used figuratively to describe disloyalty or inconsistency. For example, 二心 means having a divided mind, someone who's not fully loyal or has conflicting intentions. 二价 means having different prices or to bargain or haggle. Just think of R as 2, 1 stacked together. That's why it means 2. The character 三 means 3, made up of 3 horizontal strokes. Follow the same top-to-bottom rule when writing it, but pay attention to the stroke lengths. The top line is medium, the middle is the shortest, and the bottom is the longest. That's what gives the character its balance and harmony. Don't make all 3 lines equal or the top longer. It throws off the balance. 三 stands for the number 3, but it also suggests repetition or multiple times. For example, 三思 means to think carefully again and again. 再三 means repeatedly, over and over. It's simple. The character 三 comes from 3, 1 stacked together. Here's a simple rule. 1 line is 1, 2 lines make 2, 3 lines make 3. Let's practice reading them together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In ancient China, there's a famous philosophical classic called 道德经, the Book of the Way and its virtue. Here's one of its most famous lines. 道生一，一生二，二生三，三生万物. Literally meaning is, Dao gives birth to 1, 1 gives birth to 2, 2 gives birth to 3, and 3 gives birth to all things. Philosophically, Dao means the formless origin of all things, like an invisible cosmic order. Yi represents the unity of existence, the undivided whole. Stands for heaven and earth, the dual forces of yin and yang. Sen signifies the harmony and interaction between these dual forces, the dynamic process through which transformation and creation occur. From this harmony and continuous transformation arise all things in the universe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.